Good morning, guys. This is Robert from Trade the Moment. It is Wednesday, April 28th. It is approximately 8:54 Central Time. The markets are open for about a half hour. So we are looking at a few trades right now. One of them is going to be MVIS. We just covered Amgen. You can go to Trade the Moment on Discord. Trade the Moment on the Discord app, and you will find these trades. And many other trades for free. You go to Trade the Moment on Discord. You go to Trading Room, and you'll see Amgen covered at 236. We took a short position at 238.55. Covered at 236.80. We also got AMAT short at 135. So you got an AMAT short. That's a live trade right now. And Amgen at 238.55. The Amgen trade was covered. So you can find that on Trade the Moment on Discord, or you can go to the tradethemoment.com and go to the Discord app and launch it from my website. That's www.tradethemoment.com, and you'll find the app. Right now, MVIS, we're looking for a break on this stock. We'll put it on a 1 minute chart. We're looking for a break of, I would say, 22.20. 22.10 is the number we want to make sure we clear it. 22.20, we're going long. That's going to get posted in the room as I talk to you. If we can get 22.20 on MVIS, so MVIS long, 22.20 long. So that trade is a live trade in the room right now. That trade is a live trade. This is a nice entry, 22.20. We'll try to take some profits at about 22.70 or 80. We'll see how it's trading. It's right on VWAP. If you look at the 5, it's setting up as a buy setup. We just need to clear 22, maybe 30, 35. We should really break out. I think we have lots of upside in this stock. It's pulling back at the moment, but this trade is okay for the time being. Amgen, which we got out of, is still trading down, still under pressure. Amgen, we'll put that up here. We'll look at it just today. There's Amgen today. Every bar that tries to reverse gets rejected. There's no big spikes up. They're just constant selling, a lot of pressure, low RSI, very low RSI. It's at its 9. It's true. It's 9 simple moving average.
Judge Johnson, positive court ruling on his talcum powder verdict. A $117 million verdict was thrown out.
J&J.
Said that experts should not have testified.
J&J making some news on this talcum case, court case, legal matter. Keep an eye on J&J.
Johnson, J&J.
We'll keep an eye on J&J. Right now, nothing I'm interested in. MVIS live at 22.20. We'll switch over to the 2 minute chart. After 10 o'clock in the morning or close to 10 o'clock, you should be live. That's Eastern time. You should be on a 2 minute chart rather than a 1. The 1's only for the first really 15-20 minutes. After that, you want to switch over to a 2. So you want a 2 here. You nearly need to get above 20. You really need to clear this above 30, and then this can run. MVIS is what we're waiting on. In the meantime, we're going to continue to scan for other ideas. We have many different scanners set up to give you actionable signals on stocks that are breaking out or breaking down. We trade basically on a 2, 5, and 15 minute intraday. We look for the daily for direction. MVIS is inside, so we don't expect a huge move, but the top of this candle yesterday is 28 and the bottom is 18 and change. So this is a $10 candle. This is huge. So I do think we'll clear this today. And I do think we'll run. So this trade is in play and it's up. AMAT we're still waiting on. The Qs look very good. If you look at the Qs, they look very strong. The Qs, they were rejected in the morning. If you look at the 5, and the last 4 or 5 minute bars is straight up. So got no entry here. I have no way to get in this right now. I have to wait for a pullback. If I get it, fine. If not, then I'm not going to be trading the QQQs today. There's nothing I can do with that today. I'm going to look at some other stocks. We'll go to Deutsche Bank. Flat all morning. Another thing. So we're going to constantly scan to see what we have. This could be a good breakout here. The stock has gapped up in the morning. It was on the gap list. You can find that too on Market Preview on the Trade the Moment on Discord. This stock looks like it could really break out of this channel right here. 38.52 on GSX. This may not be a bad breakout. I'm going to watch GSX a little bit here. I'm going to pull this one down. And we're going to watch GSX. This does not look bad at all. I'm going to continue to scan on another screen. I have many screens that are up that I'm scanning on. Right now I'm going to post this. I think GSX has a long. We're going to take the high of this bar, 45. We're going to take. So we're going to post this at 35.45 as a long. That's also posted in the room. So if you look at Discord, if you go to Discord, you'll find those trades both posted in the room. I'll just show you Discord. MVIS long, 2220. GSX long, 35.45. You must trigger these prices. They must trigger to become long trades or short trades. Okay, GSX is trying to trigger. Really nice. We're going to look to get involved in GSX.
Cryogenesis, stock symbol PYR, a low price name, down 13 cents at $4.90 each. The company is subject of a short report out of Mariner Research. PYR.
So we have 3 trades open, guys, just for fair disclosure. We have AMAT open as a short. We have MVIS open as a long at 22.20. It's slightly underwater. And GSX has not confirmed yet. We are waiting for a break on GSX. So MVIS is a light trade and it did come back. It's really ready to break right now. MVIS. So we're going to stay with this one. We want to see a break of 20. Clear break of 35, 30, 35. We should be in real good shape here with this. We should start to run here now. We're looking for 50, 60 cents to take 3/4 of the trade out. Need to gap above 60 and take off a little bit here. Let's try to get it above 60. Here we go. Really a nice trade. We could take some profits maybe at 70. We're in at 2220. Sorry guys, 2220. If we can get 2270, we'll trim 3/4 of that position. I will post that in the room as I talk to you. It's not so easy to talk and type and watch the chart, but we're going to post this MVIS. Take 3/4 at 2270, and you will move stop to break even. Okay, this has been posted in the Discord room, giving you full details. MVIS take 3/4 of the trade at 22.70 and then move your stop to 22.20. This will give you 50 cents profit on 3/4 of the trade and a breakout even on the remaining quarter, which I will update later. MVIS, if you look at it right now, you're trading at 47. We're looking for 70. We're looking for 70 on MVIS. GSX broke too. For those that have gotten involved in GSX, it was a good call out, GSX. If you got involved in it, it's 35.45 as a long. We broke above it and we are above entry, which is very good. So we'll just watch that one. Now it's at 60. So GSX is running really nice from the entry. MVIS, we're looking for 70. We really want to take 3/4. We don't have any targets set on GSX. I think the stock can break. Let's let it break. Let's let it go sideways a little bit. If you look at the 5, look at the 15. The 15 is very nice. If you look at that 15. If you look at that 15, it is very attractive. We got three straight candles straight up. Big time volume. This stock can run. You really want to keep a little of this and you want to see what you can get. This could be, it makes my day type of trade. It can make the whole day this one trade. So you're up to 70 right now. The entry was 45. We'll take profits if we continue to get it to go, but not right now. Right now we're right on MVIS. So for those of you who filled at 70, wonderful, congratulations. Not everybody filled, now you did. It's at 72. So this is a winner for 50 cents. We'll recap the breakout right here, 22.20. And then we took 3/4 at 22.70. So 3/4 of this trade is in the bank. And we still have that going, which is a very nice trade. So we'll keep an eye on that. Now don't forget guys, MVIS, you move that stop to where you got in, and that's the remaining quarter of the position goes to 22.20. There's no way you lose a penny on that. That is a 100% breakout even at the worst scenario, while you have 50 cents on 3/4 of the position in the bank. So this is a beautiful trade. We're going to revisit this in a little while. We really want to look at GSX because the next candle up, the next big candle up, 40, 50 cent
The
candle.
Washington Post says the Biden administration is expected to announce a plan to ban menthol cigarettes.
Guys, watch the tobacco companies, watch BTI, PM.
Is meant to help African Americans who have been disproportionately harmed by the product.
Okay.
Negative for those tobacco makers.
Guys, keep an eye on British tobacco. I believe it's BTI, Philip Morris, PM. These are tobacco plays. They need to be watched at the moment. I don't know if there's any entries, but right now I'm going to watch GSX. For those who are not involved in these two trades, this and MVIS, then you can just look at some tobacco names right now while they made some news. Excuse me. I'm going to continue to watch GSX because it's a live trade and we want to stay with that. MVIS may be backfilling. Let's hope it don't stop out. Doesn't look good. It's coming down. Let's hope it stops. This is what happens with volatile stocks sometimes. That's why I take 3/4 of the position. Sometimes they come back down, they'll stop you out, and then they'll go even make new highs. And you see that all the time. The stock can come down, stop us out on the remaining quarter, okay? And then bang, come back and make new highs. So we have 3/4 of the trade closed out profit. So we're willing to risk a quarter. For those who close the whole position, kudos to you. I like to leave some on the table and let it run a little bit. because you have a very good shot with the last quarter to make the day's pay that you're looking for. And in the meantime, you still got GSX. There's no stops in place yet. The stock is live. MVIS may have found a little bit of support here. Let's see if this holds. Look at the tape. 39, 36, 32. 20 is the stop, guys. Keep that in mind. Stay away from 20. We're okay. If we hit 20, it's not the worst thing. 1/4 of the position's gone. I'm going to look at some tobacco names and other names right now, see what they're doing on this news. Look at British Tobacco. There's the news. There's they tried to recover, and here's a new breakdown. This is not a bad short right here if you want to get involved. I don't like this big bar. The volume was huge, so I got news for you. This is not a bad short based on the volume. I will wait and see if this can trade sideways to down, and then I'll take a short position in BTI. But they are now officially on watch, along with Philip Morris. Let's see what Philip Morris is doing. Philip Morris, same bar down, but it's recovering. Okay, look at the daily on Philip Morris. I know BTI doesn't have a good daily. See the daily on BTI, it's coming down, getting weaker. So BTI is the weaker of the two. Philip Morris, naturally, looking at the daily, is stronger. So look at the big bar down. Philip Morris got 3 bars up. They're only 2-minute bars, but you have 3 up. And here's your rejection bar. You have 3 up. And then if you go to BTI, you have 1 up and 1 down. So without a doubt, if you're going to take a short position based on the news that's out there, BTI is your short. If you were looking for buy the dip mentality, well then it's Philip Morris as a long. I'm going to pass on both right now, which doesn't mean nothing more than I'm going to watch them. Okay, and that's it. GSX is still working. It's okay. It's right where we ended it. MVIS is now up to 60, which is very good. It's 40 cents in the money. Keep in mind, 3/4 of this trade was sold at a 50-cent profit, and the balance is now at a breakout even. I will move it up. I will post it in Discord. For this video for now is done. You'll have to manage this on your own or go to Discord. It's absolutely free at tradethemoment.com. You'll find the tab to launch the Discord app, or go to Discord, type in Trade the Moment, put a username and a passcode, and all of it is absolutely free. The MVS now is up to 80. So now I'm going to go on record now before I end the video, and I'm going to say move stop on MVIS to 2240. So we're moving the stop up to 2240 on MVIS before we end the video. So even the last quarter would be a 20-cent winner on the last quarter. So this was an excellent trade. One other thing I want to look at is BTI. This is a nice short, guys. I may put this on. You'll have to go to the room and see if I'm going to enter this trade short. This is getting weaker. Philip Morris is getting stronger. I'm going to wait for an up bar and then a rejection and probably look to get short. But go to Discord if you want an update on this. For now, this video is going to conclude, and this winner here, MVIS, made a morning. There are many more trades that we're going to have throughout the day. So visit us on Trade the Moment on Discord. Thank you, guys.